In Act 1, Scene 4 of Macbeth by William Shakespeare, the setting is a palace courtroom where King Duncan learns about the execution of the Thane of Cawdor due to his treachery. Duncan expresses his gratitude towards Macbeth and Banquo for their heroism in battle. However, this scene intensifies when Duncan surprisingly declares his son, Malcolm, as his successor. This proclamation stuns Macbeth, who harbors ambitious desires for the throne, fueled by the witch's prophecy that he will become king. The scene serves a dual purpose. It showcases the dynamic between Duncan and Macbeth, and propels Macbeth further towards contemplating regicide due to his thwarted ambitions. Malcolm's account of Cawdor's dignified acceptance of his fate ironically precedes Duncan's admission that outward appearances can be deceiving, highlighting his inability to foresee Cawdor's betrayal. This theme of deceptive appearances is underscored by Macbeth's entry at that moment, illustrating dramatic irony as Macbeth harbors traitorous thoughts unbeknownst to Duncan. As formal courtesies are exchanged, the conversation turns to themes of growth and fertility, with Duncan expressing his intention to nurture Macbeth's prospects. In contrast, Banquo pledges his loyalty and service, hinting at the growth and harvest metaphor, aligning with the earlier mention of seeds by the witches, symbolizing Banquo's lineage eventually inheriting the throne. This scene is rich in imagery, particularly around the concepts of planting, growth, and the stars. Initially, Duncan uses positive growth imagery when discussing Macbeth's potential. However, the scene pivots to darker imagery with Macbeth's soliloquy, where he wishes the stars to hide their light, so his black and deep desires, the wish to usurp Duncan, remain hidden. This sharp contrast between Duncan's praise of Macbeth and Macbeth's internal rebellion highlights a thematic opposition between good and evil. The imagery involving stars first as symbols of nobility and then of desires best kept in darkness illustrates Shakespeare's skill in using related images to establish dramatic irony. Furthermore, Duncan's final references to Macbeth as a peerless kinsman adds to the scene's dramatic tension by emphasizing the familial betrayal Macbeth contemplates, amplifying the heinousness of the potential crime of regicide and familial betrayal. In conclusion, Act 1, Scene 4 of Macbeth intensely explores themes of loyalty, ambition, and the deceptive nature of appearances. Through adept use of imagery and dramatic irony, Shakespeare sets the stage for the unfolding tragedy driven by Macbeth's unchecked ambition and the moral degeneration it entails. So that's our Bookly Crash Course for today. Make sure to check out our full chapter-by-chapter playlist on the Bookly Crash Course channel.